A cheaper treatment can look attractive, but patients need to understand what is inside the product.
If you are thinking about stem cell therapy, don't only ask how many million stem cells you are getting. Ask what kind of cells are inside the product. Are they young? Are they healthy? Are they early passage? Because not all stem cells are created equal. Let our lab team explain why this matters.
We're able to uniquely, continuously create new sources of early passage MSCs compared to a lot of the late passage MSCs out there in the market. And as I mentioned, early passage is very important in terms of maintaining the MSC's proliferative capacity, as well as healthy morphology, growth factor expression, and exosome production. And these are all very visible. Even under the microscope, we can see that late passage MSCs have much slower growth rates. They become larger and slower and kind of take on these phenotypes of a more aged cell. And you can actually start to see that a higher percent of them will become senescent. And so, our whole platform is to provide young, healthy, and potent cells. And that's why we wouldn't passage them, extensively to the point where they become senescent. That's not really going to benefit the patient. So we put more focus in sourcing and creating continuously new banks of young, early passage MSCs that retain that proliferative and regenerative potential and high viability.
This is why choosing the right clinic matters. Stem cell therapy is not just about more cells. It's about cell quality, lab control, safety, and transparency. At Cellular Institute, we control the process through our own laboratory, so patients can better understand what they are receiving. If you are considering stem cell therapy, book a discovery call and let our team review your case.